27 Charlie, possible 35 at Collins and Oak, the Gridley Theatre. See the woman at the box office. 4118 and that's where the Pottery College
I think if you want to attract A players and quality people and keep them, you've got to offer something special. You know, if you want special people, you have to give special back.
This is called Miracle Water. So, yeah, I love this. Super excited about this one.
I think they really did a good job of expressing some of the energy, and it just makes me really excited looking at them now to eventually go back to an in-person event.
We knew the conference would start people thinking, would be inspirational, and we were hoping that the branding would start that process even before people arrived to the conference.
The first webinar in the series is going to focus on how leaders and HR can ensure.
What Trikafta has given me is not just a boost in lung function, but the ability to find love.
We treat your business as our own, and our goal is always to recommend the most appropriate security solution.
14 Foxtrot, your tow is notified at 3641 Murphy Lane. No wants, no warrants on your suspect. You need assist on your